restrictions.
Kynhun Myntri ke jala po ke jengelam Myntri rang ba ke jala konrit ke sangma kala Mynjur ke plan ke basis pak Klur na ke betaban Khang kerdep ya ke karkhana jo ke maumlo Cherasemen limited ke bakentup ya ke scheme shong thait mons ngobha na ke benta ki ars pak san ngut ki nong trei bat ki lat klenti ban weng ki jengket klie ha kaliang ke pisa kani kalawan hadir ke jeng emir jengmut lang ginong tre bat ke seng jengki bat kani ke plan ke pen i ke jeng sedang jo ke jeng Khang ringkat bat ki kot ki sla bakat do kat badang up ye ke jeng ekren ki bakam benia
Are in the process of closure of MCCL, and therefore one-time special scheme where we are working with the employees to give them a golden handshake or VRS or whatever the appropriate word you'd like to use. This scheme, after detailed discussion with MCCL employees, has been worked out, and this was brought today to the cabinet. And the cabinet, after detailed discussion, has approved that particular scheme. And now we will finally, the MCCL will propose a scheme and discuss with the employees association and others, and sign on the necessary papers so that it can be frozen. And then once that is done, the closure will be approved, and then the process of closure, which requires a lot of details. As you're aware, it's a public limited company, and therefore the procedures require different processes to be followed. So all those will be followed to ultimately.
Myntri rang ba ke jala